Welcome friends to 360 Learning Spot. In this video I'll show you how to send messages to all your contacts in WhatsApp at once. Even if you have thousands of contacts in your mobile phone, you can send 1,000 messages or even more in WhatsApp to your friends. Let us see how it happens. Before we continue, I will ask you something, that please subscribe my channel and give a like to this video. So open any WhatsApp, GB, WhatsApp, official WhatsApp, any WhatsApp you have in your mobile phone. Just open your WhatsApp, and now first step, you will have to create a WhatsApp broadcast list. And how will you create WhatsApp broadcast list? Just at the top right corner, you will click on these three dots. This drop down will open, and from here you will have to click on this option, new broadcast. When you will click on this option, this page will open. Here you can see that you can add 256 recipients from your contacts to one broadcast list. But how to send messages to all if you have thousands of contacts in your mobile phone? Don't worry my friends, I will let you know how to do that. Just follow me. And now first of all, we are going to create a broadcast list here. Suppose if you have thousands of contacts in your mobile phone, in the first broadcast list we are going to create here, you can select the contacts alphabetically from your mobile phone. Suppose I select the contacts from A alphabet to alphabet D. When you will tap on any contact, it will be added automatically to the broadcast list. You can see at the top here, you can see members are being added. If you want to remove any member from this broadcast list, you will just click on this cross icon. The member will be removed. And after adding all your contacts in the first broadcast list, you will click on this tick icon at the right bottom. This broadcast list has been created. Here you can see. And now this time again you will click on these three dots at the top right corner, and this time you will click on this option, broadcast list info. When you will click here, this broadcast list will open. This is the list we just created. And again at the top right corner, you will click on these three dots. This drop down will open, and from here you will have to select this time change broadcast list name, because it will help you later on when you are sending messages to thousands of contacts in your mobile phone and you have more than one broadcast list in your mobile phone. Suppose we name this broadcast list A to D, and here you can see that list has been renamed. And if you again click on these three dots, and this time you can click on add recipients, it will take you back to this page, and from here you can edit this broadcast list. You can add or remove certain members from this broadcast list, and if you scroll down below, you can even delete this broadcast list. And now you will go back and again click on these three dots, again click on new broadcast, and this time we will create another broadcast list, but we will select the contacts from our mobile phone from alphabet E to H or whatever you want according to the number of contacts in your mobile phone. Suppose if you have thousands of contacts in your mobile phone, you can create 4 or 5 broadcast lists to send messages to all contacts on WhatsApp. You can see that this time we have created this broadcast list and we name it E to H. List has been created. Here you can see. And how to send messages in this broadcast list, you will just find the broadcast list and then open it and then write down any message, and here you can send the messages to all members included in this broadcast list. And unlike WhatsApp group, when you send messages in WhatsApp group, all the members see that you have sent the same message to all the persons. But in the broadcast list, when you send messages delivered individually to each person, and it looks like that you have sent this message especially to that person. Here you can see messages are being delivered to the broadcast list. And now if you have 4 or 5 broadcast lists in your mobile phone, how to find it? Just at the top you will click on this search icon, and then you will write down the name of the broadcast list. Suppose we write on here A to D, and here you can see this broadcast list, and you can find it easily, send messages to all contacts, and then find another one and then send messages to all contacts. So this is how you can send messages to thousands of contacts in your mobile phone on WhatsApp. Thank you so much, friends. Make sure to press on subscribe button to remain in touch with 360 Learning Spot.